Welcome to Oriental Public School Preschool Learning Videos. Today we are going to learn all about playground.
What is this? Seesaw. This is seesaw. What is this? Slide. This is slide. What is this? Swing. This is swing. What is this? Rainbow bar. This is rainbow bar. What is this? Merry-go-round. This is merry-go-round. What is this? Sandbox. This is sandbox. What is this? Ball pit. This is ball pit. What is this? Tire dome. This is tire dome. What is this? Spring horse. This is spring horse. What is this? Dome climber. This is dome climber.
Hope you have learned all the playground equipments.